But you know what? When we do exponents, I want you to understand what they are. Okay, David, put your game away, please. Mariah, put your iPad down. Taylor, no, I gave you a handout. You don't need any iPads. Okay. Now, what does it mean when I do 3 times 2? Some of you do this because you haven't memorized 3 times 2. Cole, what does it mean? Not what I'm asking. It means either 3 added twice or 2 added how many times?
3.
Okay. So multiplication is repeated addition. Because if I understand this, then exponents follow quite nicely. Or whistling. Multiplication is repeated addition. Now, I think you might find this easy, but the problem is when I combine more operations, it gets harder because you have to understand what you're doing. Okay? Henry, I want you to understand what an exponent is.
I know what an exponent is. It's that top number.
So what's the difference between 3x and x cubed? There's a big difference. David, I asked you already once. Please put that away. What does 3x mean? It means x plus x plus x 3 times. And if you know what something means, you can remember. So what's x cubed mean? X times x. Well, we don't want to write out x times itself 10 times or 3 times or whatever. So we make this x, we make that the exponent. That just tells you how many times it was multiplied. Okay, Taylor? That's all it is. Well, if you know that's what it is, you don't have to memorize any of this stuff. Yes, Taylor, put your iPad away, please, and your phone. I'll get one of them at least. Okay, so this is not particularly difficult to begin with, but we're going to make it difficult. We're going to combine a bunch of operations. Okay, so this is called expanded form, and I don't want to write out x 4 times. Remember, I teach for understanding, and if you understand, you'll remember next year. If you don't understand, you won't remember. What's the difference between x to the 4th and 4x?
X plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4.
No. This is x plus x 4 times. Otherwise, 4 is added x times, but I can't really do that because I don't know what that is. Okay, so I want you to see the difference. The exponent is repeated multiplication. This is repeated addition. Right here. I don't have any of them up yet. Repeated multiplication. So it's just shorthand. And that's all math is. If somebody decided they didn't want to write everything out in words, so they made up all these symbols and made up all these rules, and that's what we do. So golf is kind of like that too. Now, and especially if you're like me, if you're a little bit dyslexic, when I see the y's and the x's together, I have to concentrate a little harder. Oops, sorry. So then it means you just have to take it a little slower. Because you'll see me do that. I took a geometry figure, a complicated one, totally reversed it, labeled it all backwards, 100% correct. Didn't even realize I'd done that. Well, it was a mirror reflection, yeah. That takes talent. Yeah, but I can do it without thinking. If I think, I can't do it. Okay, what does this mean? What does this mean? It means x times x how many times?
3.
This is easy. Well, they're going to make it harder. What about y squared times x to the 4th? Y times y, and then 4 x's. And I believe the exponents are on the MCA in your junior year. Sure. Now this one's hard. Well, Henry's going to come up and try it. I like to work outside first.
Yeah.
That's okay. He's right. That's A's. That's A's because we don't have any G's. Okay, and how many times do we have that? 3.
Well, that's gonna be annoying to write down.
Yeah, it is annoying, isn't it? Now do you appreciate the exponents?
Is that right?
Yeah, he's right. Oh, but we're not done.
What?
Okay, that's correct. But then I have to do it 3 times. So it's 2, A, 5 C's, 3, 4, 5. Okay, there's one of them. I want to do it in different colors. Did I have it? Do I have it right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Because that's what this 3 means. Is we haven't learned the rules yet. So we're learning what it means. Because what happens when you start applying the rules is you think you know the rules and you'll get them wrong.
It's always good to write down all the rules first.
We'll get there. Let's just take our time. You know, I'm in charge of how fast we have to do this. Okay, I want to simplify that. I mean, that's what it means. Can you do 2 times 2 times 2? Be careful, it's not plus. How many? Yeah, how big is it? It's 2 times 2, which is 4 times 2, which is 8. How many A's are there altogether? I've got 2, 4, and 6. So we're going to be falling into rules. 3, 4, 5, 2, 4, 5, 6. And then C's, I got 5 of those 3 times, right?
15.
4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Because I multiplied, this is all multiplication. 2 times 2 times 2. Well, I don't like writing that, do you?
No.
So how many A's do we have? 6. And how many C's were there? 15. There's an easy way to do it. If you look at that and look at what you started with, how did I get 15? No, I multiplied. Just the first 2 pages on the blue sheet, and then 1 through 8 on the whatever color, the green. Because and then tomorrow we'll do the multiplication division piece.
Oh, wait.
Let's just get them to get that. What they don't like to do is give you both X and Y. We need to do that. How about this? 3 times 2 is 6. And this is not 3 times 2. A lot of you want to say it is, but it's 3 times the exponent, which is 1. So it's 2 cubed. And that's not 6, but it's 8. Yes. But if you understand what it means, you can always get yourself out of trouble with this. You know, that was a pain to do. Yes. I'm sorry, what? Well, it asks you to expand it, so they really want that. With the 3. Yeah. You think I'm going to go through and count them? How many C's are there? You know what's nice about the C? It was easy to write. C, 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 C. That was easy to write. You ready? I just did it. Do it with me. Okay, you guys ready? Okay. So you're going to have to expand some of these things. And then we're going to simplify them. And we're going to get into some properties today. We've already seen some. Okay, Joe? Right, there's nothing on the iPad. Taylor, put your iPad away. That's true. I'm ready. You should easily get this done. All right, somebody want to come up and do this one? Henry. Oh, Henry, you're just up there.
Henry, don't fail or faint.
Okay, you guys, see if you can beat him. Beat him.
A, Q, B.
Hey, we skipped a page.
I don't think so.
And do the next one.
Yeah, that's right. Who's next?
Can I do it?
Yeah, Suzanne hasn't been up there. No, we didn't skip a page. I know, but she has never been up there. Yep. Now that's the European way to write X.
It's clearer because then when you write times, then you know when you.
I never use times though like that. Okay, Rich. Because they're multiplied? Do they have to be next to each other? No, that's how they write the European X.
Really takes a small mind not to understand.
Okay, you guys, check. Did they do them right?
No.
Let's see. 3 J's. 1. Whoops. Sometimes if I have to do this, I will, because that all looks a lot alike to me. The K's, the colors keep it separated for me. And the L's. Looks good to me. Okay. What? Cole? I like the colors. Don't you like the colors? Don't you like the colors? I got pencils. Okay. Yeah. Are you understanding how we're counting these? Easy, right? Should be easy. You're just counting how many were multiplied. Okay, ready to change?
Yeah.
Now here is the rule.
You have to add.
Now you guys, exponents seem so easy, and they're easy to me. However, I have taught this for many years, and I know that students have troubles with it. So when you get here and you don't know what to do, you do this. Okay, you guys? Okay, David, I'm going to write this out. Here's an example. So this means x times x. No, it isn't. This is x times x times x. How many are multiplied together? 5. What did you do with the 2 and the 3? Add. If they're the same bases, that's the base. Yes, but you have to keep it straight. It is, but then when I get it into, what if I give you x to the n plus m? In fact, let me give you a calculus problem. E to the x plus y. No, the base is e, and e is 2.71 something. It's just a number. That's the same as this. E to the x times e to the y. That's what we have to know in calculus. It's times.
When it's divided, it's minus.
Yeah.
Joe, question? So if I have e squared times e cubed, that's e to the what? Fifth. Fifth. No, but I want to show you that this is the piece that my calculus students struggle with. And it's not hard, but people struggle with it. Okay, Henry, I need you to not be talking. Okay. Here, let's do these. Uh-oh, we have some negative exponents. Okay, shh. You want to come up and do one? What's the first one? X to the 10th. Now, you guys, Cole, how many A's do you see here? 1. Just this one. How many A's are there altogether? You can't say there's just 2 because you have another one. You must add it. Now, I've got another problem here. I have negative exponents, but the rules still hold. It's 7 plus a negative 3. So it's a cubed. It's b to the 4th. Do you know what a negative exponent means? It is not a negative number. It's still positive. Okay. Caitlin, can you do the x's here? Nope, they're separate. So it's x to the what? 6. I'm going to check them off. Okay, Alex, how about the y's? I've got 3 here and another 1 here. Put the 1 if you need to. How many y's are there?
4.
Let her do it.
Yeah, 4.
I've got 3 here and 1 more, so that's a total of 4. How about the z's? I have, if I want to, you guys, well, let's write it up. It's negative 4 plus what? How many z's are in this last one? 1. So I get x to the 6th, y to the 4th, and z to the what? Negative 3. Yeah, but I have to make sure everybody gets it. Okay, another property. Now, if you can't remember this, because these are all pretty simple properties, but if I can't remember it, let's do x squared. Oh, sorry. want x. X squared cubed. Now, what does that mean, Mariah? That means x squared times x squared times x squared, because that's what that 3 means. So that's x to the what? 2 plus 2 plus 2. Now we add exponents. If you want me to go all the way down to expanded form, there's the first one. There's the second one. This always works. I don't want to do it, but how many x's are there? 6. What's the shortcut? Multiply them. This is, okay, Cole? This is an exponent to an exponent. Notice the difference between this and this. Okay, Henry? These are not, okay, guys, these are not the same things. This is x to the 6th. This is x to the what? Lucas? What is this one? This is x to the 5th. So you have to stop and recognize what's happening, Ray. So you're going to multiply those. Okay, ready to try some? Be really careful with that last one. It's tricky. You know what I'll tell you to do? Put an exponent on everything. Yes?
Joe wants to do it.
Yeah, you want to do the first one? No, I'm going to do the other ones. You can do the first ones because they're hard. What's the first one? Y to the what? No, I want to be able to explain it. That has nothing to do with a knot. You can do it. Oh, he's going to expand it. But you need another one. It says there's 4. So it's y to the what? 12. Okay, Alex, put your phone away. Okay? Nope, I want to teach it. What's the easy way to do this? 3 times 4. Caitlin, question. No, I'm going to do this one because this one's hard. Yes, it is. You must do order. Nope. You guys try on your paper and let's see. Now can I start? Oh, I can do this. Now, you must do order of operations first. Okay, shh. Cole? You can't multiply these first. You must do this exponent. So this is going to stay the same. No, it's only operating on the 1. Okay, I'm going to put exponents in on everything because if you, I'm not finished. I have to do that exponent first. It's order of operations. Exponents and then multiplication. Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally, remember? Okay. So you know what this is? Let's put an exponent here. There's a 1 there. Now, you're going to multiply. You're going to distribute the exponents. Lalo? Distribute the exponents. You're going to multiply those. You're going to multiply those. And you're going to multiply those. So what's this going to give me? X what? Squared. Y to the what? 8. And Z to the what? 10th. Not yet. Not yet. You've got to do it in the right order, Cole. Let's see. How many X's, Cole? How many X's now? Because now you stop and think. You're multiplying. You're not doing an exponent to an exponent. So you're just going to add the exponents. What about the Y's? A negative 3 plus 8 is 5. And if you don't put the 1 in there, you might forget it. But I know Cole had it. It's Z to the what? 11. This one's hard too.
Let me see, can I do this one?
Nope, that's wrong. You guys all try it. Nope, that's wrong. That's wrong.
What?
Oh, see, I told you this gets to be hard.
Are you sure?
Yep.
Look, it's 12, 24.
Is Ray going to do it?
See, it's right with you.
No, it's not right.
4 times 3 is... It's you.
He's closer.
Wait, Mariah. Alright, which one?
No.
Don't you put in... Wait. Now it's right. See, it's right. It's right.
Nope, that's not right either.
Oh my God. 2, 3.
Yeah, what is that? Okay, guys, let me do it.
Wait. Do it.
Yes, that's not right.
Not gonna do it.
I need to teach it though. Okay, you guys, you'll have your worksheet to work on.
No.
Nope. Really? Okay. Hey guys. Cole. Joe. If you think of this as 2 being no taller than the x and the y's,
Where does the 2 go?
I haven't done anything. I just made 2 a little shorter because this is 2 to the first power. So you distribute the exponents to the 2 as well. So that's 2 to the third. Then it's x. What do you do with this 3 and the 4? You multiply them. So what's 3 times 4? 12. And y to the what?
24. I got it right.
24. No, you had 2, not 8. And this is z to the negative 9.
Oh, I was so.
Yes, you guys, the letters are easier. Put an exponent with everything you see, and it will work. What's 2 cubed? It's not 6. It's 8.
I'm sure. I was left out the 8.
Am I sure? Yes, I'm sure. Okay. Now you guys, here's another way. Shh, I'm almost done, I think. Here's another way if you forget about the 2. Write out what that means. It means 2x to the 4th, y to the 8th, z to the negative 3rd. Okay, Cole? Okay, how many times do I see that? 3. I get to cheat a little. That's 3 of those. Now, how many times do you see 2 multiplied by itself? 1, 2, 3, which gives you 8. Now, what do you do with the exponents, Ray? What do you do with the exponents here? 4 plus 4 plus 4 is 12. So this always works. You write out what it means, Joe. Okay? It always works. Is that it? That's it. Okay, so you have a little worksheet, and Alex is not here.